Hello students. Let's talk about advanced calendar. There is elementary calendar also on DBMSA YouTube channel, intermediate calendar, as well as this is the advanced calendar. Here, what we will be learning that in which month days will be coming 5 times in a year. Okay, 5 times in a month. So, for example, 31 days. Okay, 31 when you divide by 7, 4s are 28. It is remainder 3. So that means 3 days will come 5 times in a year. 30 when you divide 7, 5 times in a month. Sorry. 30 when you divide by 7, 4s are 28, remainder 2. So that means 2 days will come 5 times in a month. 29 when you divide by 7, remainder is 1. So that means 1 day will come 5 times in a month. 28 is completely divisible by 7. So 0 day will come 5 times in a month. Now, again, very important information. When I say 3 days will come 5 times in a month, first, second, third, these dates of the months will come 5 times in a year. I mean 5 times in a month. Sorry. So when I say 31 days, January, March, May, July, August, October, December. This 7 months will have first, second, third. Those whatever days are there, those days will be coming 5 times in a month. This first and second, this dates falls on whichever days. For example, first and second is falling on Friday and Saturday. Then Friday and Saturday will be coming 5 times in a month. First, suppose your first is falling on Monday. Then Monday will come 5 times in this month of February, which is a leap year. And year, 0 days. Okay, now let's see how this works. In the month of April 2016, which day would come 5 times in the month? Let us see the calculation. In order to get more examples about this, go to my intermediate calendar video. You will know more about it. Okay, now let us see the calculation. Let us consider directly 2000, correct? 16. So we will consider 15 years. They are talking about April. So we will consider 1st April because we have to see 5 times in the month means we have to check 1st and 2nd April because April has got 30 days. So 2 days will be coming 5 times in this month, right? So now 2000 is divisible by 400. So remainder is 0. 15 divide by 4, correct? So 15 divide by 4, my quotient will be 3. 15 plus 3 is 18, divide by 7, 2s are 14, remainder is 3. So I will, remainder is 4. So I will put here remainder 4. For April, I will consider Jan as 31 days. Feb, it's a leap year, so 29 days. March, 31 days. And April, 1 day. When I'll calculate this, I will get 92. 92 will be divided by 7. 7 13s are, like 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Remainder is 1. So I will write for this remainder 1. Total this, it is 5. Correct? So when I'm totaling this, it is 5. 5 is not divisible by 7. Otherwise, if you will check my intermediate video, the remainder what we get here, that also we divide by 7. But this 5 is not divisible by 7. So we will directly go 5 days forward from Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, 5th day from Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is Friday. So that means very important thing over here. That means my 1st April and my 2nd April, that is Friday and Saturday, will be coming 5 times in this month. 2 days will be coming 5 times in this month because April is a 30 days month. Let's try another example. So another example, let us do this. Straight away, we will take 2000. I will be going fast because now you know the calculations. 8 years, March, 1st March. Correct? Remainder 0. For 8 years, when you will calculate the remainder, you will get 3. And for 1st March, when you will calculate the remainder, you will get 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Let us divide straight away 7 by 7. 7 ones are 7. remainder is 0. So as we have got remainder 0 over here, my first March, as remainder is 0, my first March will be Sunday. 31 March is 31 days month. So first, second and third. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday will come 5 times in a month. Let us try another example. Again, I will go fast because you all know the things now. So 2000, correct? 7 years before 2008 and 1st February. So 2000 remainder will be 0 for 7 years. When you will calculate, for 7 years when you will calculate, you will get remainder 1. And for 1st Feb when you will calculate, you will get remainder 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is not divisible by 7. So I will directly straight away go for 5 days. When I'll count 5 days, counting Monday itself, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5th day is what? It is Friday. So that means my 1st February is Friday. This is a leap year, correct? It's a leap year. So as it's a leap year, we know that it will be coming one day will be coming 5 times in a month, that is Friday. So just go through all my videos to have greater grip on this concept. Thank you.